2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.